Hello everyone. The topic for today is self-motivation. Now we can talk about motivation, students, only when you have a goal in mind. When your goal is very clear to you, that's when you need self-motivation. Now let's get back in your childhood, in your, let's say in your KG class or something. From that time onwards till your 9th and 10th where you have reached, you have been using some kind of motivation within yourself, outside yourself, and you have reached this class, whether you're standard 9 or 10 or any age group who is watching this video to any part of your life where you've reached. You have always been using some kind of motivation. Okay. Now, student 9th and 10th, this is especially for you. When we are talking about motivation, I want it very clear that you have a goal set in your mind. And if that is so, please close your eyes for 30 seconds, just set a goal. Yeah, this is what I want. It could be a percentage or whatever you want to, whatever your goal is right now. Okay. So let your goal be set. The topic is motivation today. So now, as I said, from your KG class till this present age of yours, you all have been using motivation. Okay. And interestingly, there are these two types of motivation, intrinsic and extrinsic. Now, what is it? There is something inside us that drives us to achieve our goal, and some external factors make us achieve something. Now, example students, when you were in your KG class or so, you knew your teacher would give you a star when you completed your work. So you got conditioned to receive something at the end of a task, and that became your motivation factor to get a star from your teacher after you completed. So that is a reward. That reward is extrinsic motivation. You are motivated because of an external factor. And over the years, some or the other factor of many of these kinds have been motivating towards you. That is already there, and now you are aware of it. Yes, मैंने ये करने के बाद मुझे ये मिलता है. I'm going to be more interested in talking about your intrinsic motivation, the motivation inside you, something inside you that drives you to achieve your goal. And that's going to be my focus. Because students, you all have now grown up, and very soon you're going to be in this adult world where you need to keep motivating yourself. And for me, that's more important to give you skills to walk outside this cocoon of school and home. What are we going to talk about? You already have your goal. As I said, you are watching this video when you have already have your goal in mind. Now you have your goal. What drives us to that goal? I'm going to just give a very small test or question, and you're going to use these questions for yourself and get yourself on track. That means on the motivational path. Motivation is a path. You are doing things step by step to reach a goal. That is motivation in very, very simple terms. Now, let's use this example. Let's say you have set a goal for your SSC exams is to achieve 90%. Now, what happens when what will happen when you are going to get this 90%? Definitely, you're going to feel so happy and proud, isn't it? And what will happen when you don't? So you're going to feel low and not happy. So the two components over here is pleasure and pain. The goal will either give you pleasure or the goal will either give you pain. So these are two important things. Now, when you want to get 90%, ऐवी तो नहीं मिलेगा ना, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना. So that means what you need to do? Definitely, you need to have those skills inside you. And what are those skills? We've already discussed in some other earlier videos. So I'll just talk about you may need hard work, you may need dedication, you may need self-discipline, and all this is there with you, right? It's there with you. You have to just use it. So you need hard work along with these skills to get your goal. And you need to keep your progress on track. You need to stay positive, and you need all lot more skill. I've just summed up here in one word. And you go on up climbing the ladder, and you get pleasure, you reach your goal, and you're very happy. You're happy because you wanted to reach that goal. Your inner self wanted it. Now, my question first to you is, how serious are you about this goal? How damn serious are you about this goal? Tell me in a scale of 0 to 10. How serious are you? If you say 5 or 6, nah. You need to work. You need to put that thing inside you to have 10 on 10. That should be your seriousness to achieve this goal. Okay? Now, you will definitely need to sacrifice a lot of things to get these goals, because that's what life is. To achieve something, you need to give something. So you need to give your hard work, you need to sacrifice your television time, your mobile time, your friends time, your celebrations at home, and everything. So are you ready to do that? Answer yes or no. Then you would need to change some things in you. Maybe you're lazy, right? Maybe you're not following your progress on track, where you're not now you need to change some of these habits, right? You need to sleep less, maybe. Understand what you need to change. And the next question is, are you ready to change? Answer yes or no. You will find your answer then. You need to upgrade some skills. And when you need to upgrade some skills, means students, you need to learn something. How ready are you to learn something new to reach this goal? You may lack some qualities, and that's why you need to learn some new skills. Are you ready to learn those new skills? And how ready? Again, 0 to 10 scale, tell me. It has to be a 10 always. Reach up to that 10 and say, yes, I need to learn that skill. And if you don't change, if you don't bring that change inside you, if you don't learn those new skills, what will happen? Very simple. It's going to cause you pain because you are not getting your goal, right? And in other ways, always students remember, when you have to reach your goal, there's always going to be an element of pleasure and pain. Because when I say pleasure, the happiness, let's say you planned for a goal for learning chapter number 1 and you did that. That's a pleasure. The pain is you sat up maybe in the night. You sat for 2 hours or 3 hours to get the content comprehended and learned. That's the pain of it. Eventually, the right mix has to set you towards your goal. You just have to ask these questions. Am I ready to change? How serious am I about my goal? What skills I need to upgrade? And if I don't achieve this, what is going to happen? If I don't get a 90, what will happen? That question itself should be making you get out of your chair and saying, I just need to go and do what I need to do. And everyone knows that, what they need to do. Everyone knows that. Whatever age group you're watching and whatever your goal is, सबको मालूम है क्या करना है अपना गोल अचीव करने के लिए. The only thing that they need is that thing inside them, that thing inside them, that thing inside them. Yes, this is an anchor. I have to do it. This is for me. I have to bring that change in me. This is for me. I have to go and get it. That should be in, that thing should be inside you, and that thing is called fire. Okay, now very slowly I'm linking my session. The fire means inside our body we have all these elements. We need that fire inside us, right? And you all know we have chakras inside us. So what are you going to do? We need that fire. We need to activate that. So this is our solar plex chakra. Just below the ribs, the hollow place over here is the solar plex chakra. You need to press that 3 times. Okay, and this is an activity you can sit and do. Oh, and the navel, the belly button, you can press that 3 times. These two chakras will help you to get that fire and balance to move towards your goal. Just keep asking yourself every time, how important is my goal to me? What happens if I don't achieve my goal? Am I ready to change? And that's it. You should just be changing like this. You should just be changing like this and not take a long time to change. When you have to do something, you have to do it like this. Okay, students? So now quickly let's do this small exercise which I told you all, right? So you can just keep your legs very gently touching the Mother Earth, your hands on your lap like this. Press 3 times to this chakra just below your ribs and the navel chakra, and you will close your eyes. That's very good. And now all you need to do is just hear my voice. Close your eyes. Just deep breathe in. Exhale and relax. Deep breathe in more deeply and relax. Deep breathe in one more time and exhale and relax more and more. Now, I invite all of y'all to visualize a movie in front of your mind where you are aware of your goal. You can see your goal, written goal, and you can see the movie of achieving that goal. See yourself that you have already achieved your goal. Example, you hold your result in your hand, SSC result in your hand, which says a 90, which shows you a 90. And see all the people around you, how happy they are, how happy you are. The feelings, the sound, the cheer, and everything around you is so positive when you have achieved that goal. That feeling is so wonderful, so wonderful. Enlarge that feeling, feel it more deeply running, the happiness from your head to your toe. That's nice. Now click a screenshot of this movie and let it be anywhere in your body, in your head, in your heart, in your stomach. That's the picture you want to reach, and you have already reached there in your mind. All you need to do now is slowly and gently open your eyes, come back here, smile, and you just need to act. Just act on the steps that you need to stay motivated on. Keep yourself on track, stay focused, and keep asking yourself this question. If not now, when will I do it? I need to change now. So students, this is about motivation. Now, the most important question. How many of you all listening to this video are still wanting a mobile after the SSC exams are over? Because that motivation is extrinsic motivation. It's not going to very deeply motivate you, students. It has to come from within. And if you are still studying to get that mobile, please make sure you book an appointment with me, because I want you to be self-motivated. So, don't tell me you studied for your SSC exam only because you wanted a mobile. I want you to study because you feel that you need to achieve your goal. Come what may, it has to be 10 on 10. The fire has to be 10 on 10 to reach there. Step by step. There's always a step, one step leading to another step. At the moment, you may not see all the staircase. It's okay. Just see one and climb. So students, this is what I had to share. Thank you so much for listening. Stay motivated and stay happy.